Hi, I was on a live this morning and we discussed my Asian pork chops. And so I decided quickly, I'm gonna show you because I came down here after the live to do it. So I have some pork chops. I chopped up some garlic and I chopped up some fresh ginger. This is the chili garlic sauce that I was talking about. Looks like this. I go ahead and put some soy sauce right in here. I put a hefty amount. I also put in a little bit of this sweet chili sauce. If you don't have it, it's fine. You don't have to have it. It's like a duck sauce. Maybe you have some duck sauce packages you can add in there. That works too. And then I did tell you about my secret spice, and I'm gonna get that out because I just remembered. And you can use cinnamon if you like, because this mostly is cinnamon anyway. And like you can smell. It's called Chinese 5 spice, and just a little bit. If you're using cinnamon, just even a quarter of that amount. Put that in there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just mix all this up. And you could have mixed this all up in a bowl and then poured it on there, but you know, I'm the pastry queen. I do things a little weird sometimes. All right, and you're just gonna mix that all together. You go get a fork. It would have been easier to mix this whole marinade first, but I didn't. It's like quilting, we just make do. No cooking police out there, please. Not today. So you just mix that up. And then I just let these kind of soak in here all day, and then I will stick them on the grill. But I will tell you, in the wintertime, I mean, it depends. If it was warmer yesterday, maybe not on the grill today, but who knows? You can use your air fryer. I have taken these and I have put these in the air fryer. Oh my goodness, they are so good. So you don't necessarily have to grill them. You can also air fry them. But that's it. As you can just see, I'm just moving everything around. And that's about it. You guys know what to do. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions about this, you can go ahead and ask me. Have a great day. Bye.